Hello, Steve Fletcher here, and welcome to the Everything Guide to Learning to Play Guitar. Before we get started, can I ask you please to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube page, really help me grow my online business. And if you've got a moment, just check out all my social media. There's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, as well as my website. The links are all down there in the description. If you need a little friendly reminder of everything that we've done so far in the Everything Guide to Learning to Play Guitar, then you can follow the link up there in the corner and it will take you to the playlist for everything that we've been through. So we're starting a brand new section in this video. We're doing tabulature, combining the tabulature and the chords to get songs that sound that little bit more accurate to how they really are. All the sheets that accompany every one of these videos is available direct from me. If you head over to my website, the link is down there in the description. I think it's really important, the further down the road of the Everything Guide to Learning Guitar, the further down the road you go, the more important it is that you do get those sheets because you do need that visual accompaniment to go alongside what I'm saying. If you're a student of mine, either in school or over Zoom, then you will get those sheets automatically. So if you're watching this video, then you should already have that sheet. If you're just watching me out there in internet land, then head over to my website where you can download those sheets. If you are still unfamiliar with what tabulature is, then you can find the dedicated learning how to read tabulature video right there in the corner. I definitely advise you to have a look at that one. So let's get to it. Right, so what we're doing today is I Can't Get No Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. We're starting off your whole thing, your whole section properly of combining tabs and chords with this one. It's probably the most well-known of all Rolling Stones songs. It really is sort of, has become their signature tune. I think if they did a gig without playing this, there might be a little bit of a riot. I mean, it's a great song, released in 1965, crikey, as a single. To great acclaim. And in 2021, it ranked number 31 on Rolling Stone magazine's list of 500 greatest songs of all time. So I think it's fair to say that it's a good one. And the great thing about this song is this: the simple riff played on tab is just a really nicely repeated exercise. In fact, on that tabulature, you will see those repeat signs when you download the sheet from my website, link in the description. You'll see those repeat signs for the first time. Up until now, we've been just saying, times 2, times 3, whatever. But now we're going to really start to see those proper repeat signs as they are written on the music. Now, before, when we did that first sort of introduction to tabulature, is we sort of really looked at sort of several little nursery rhymes and well-known songs like Happy Birthday and stuff, which used sort of this area of the guitar. And I told you that I wanted you to sort of try matching your finger number to your fret number, which is always the case. However, sometimes we get some things where, it just feels more comfortable to move that hand position and still try and avoid going, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 all over the place with your fingers and try and mix it up a little bit. If you look at the tabulature riff for Can't Get No Satisfaction, you'll notice that the lowest fretted note is actually fret 2. And we also have a fret 4 in there. Now, playing that riff, you could stay in position 1 and play that riff with finger 2 on fret 2 and finger 4 on fret 4. But I'm not going to lie, it's going to feel a little bit uncomfortable. So, what guitarists would tend to do is use finger 1 on the lowest fretted note, wherever possible. And this is where it's fret 2. So I would say, you could easily use finger number 1 on fret 2, which will then give you finger number 3 on fret 4. So that's your two sort of really strong fingers doing the work there on that riff. Like that. And you've got that open string. And that's going to help you a lot more. And I think it's going to feel a lot more comfortable than doing 2 and 4. Like so. Chord-wise, very, very straightforward. We've got an A and an E, and yes, there is a B chord in there. If by now your bar chords aren't just any old chord, then you might want to just spend a little time, a little bit more time getting used to those bar chord shapes, but you should be okay with the B chord by now. So thanks for watching. Please leave me some nice comments. Please check out all my social media, my website down there in the description. And we'll see you next time, boys and girls. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.